Hey, hi. This is Mitesh, and she's my wife Devanshi.
Hi.
So we actually had booked this Dubai entire tour package from Pacific Holiday, and it was really a fantastic experience for entire of our family. Every accommodation, travel, pickup, drop. It's very smooth. We did not face any problem. I would say communication for each day's schedule is always on the time. Pick up from the hotel to the destination to the all the spot, all the location. It was very fantastic. It was my first experience with the Dubai tour, and I must say my family has enjoyed a lot. And once again, I really would appreciate Pacific Holiday, and I especially would like to thank Mr. Pradyuman, who was in touch with me even every day when we were here, when we were in India. So overall, I did not feel lost anywhere. And once again,
Thank you.
thank you once again.
We had a great experience traveling with Pacific Holidays.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye.